In today's video, I'll be talking about how to make $500 online in the year 2025. This year, if you are serious about it and you do the needful, you can make as much as you desire in the online space. There's many businesses out there that you can do online and make cool cash for yourself. If you follow the principles strictly, then you make money. Here are the following steps that you can take to make this money online. Number one is freelancing. There are so many freelancing websites that you can go online, you sign up with them, and then you start applying for a freelancing job. Like Fiverr, you can go to Fiverr, you can go to Upwork, even Freelancer itself. You can go there, sign up, then you start applying for a job. You can apply for writing gigs jobs. You can get writing gigs jobs. You are good at writing, you are very skillful with articles and all of that. You can apply for a graphic designing job, and also that if you are good at it, you make good money from it for yourself. It's a very profitable venture. If you really keep at it in this year, you make good money from it. If this is your first time seeing me on this channel, this is Eni Empire TV. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first to see it. Number two is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can never be exhausted because it is a reliable, a sure means of making money online. When you look for a reputable organization, a reputable company offering products and services whereby you can sign up with. When you sign up with them, you get an affiliate link. With that link, you can start promoting the link, and as many people come to your link and order the services rendered or products rendered through your link, you get a commission to that effect. So it's a very profitable venture. If you keep at it and you do it and you do not give up, it's a very profitable venture. You can make, there's no limit to the amount of money that you can make in affiliate marketing. That is, if you are serious about it in this year 2025, it's working. It has worked for some people in the past and it's still working till date. So affiliate marketing can never be over exhausted. Number three is online virtual assistants. Virtual assistants, you can get apply for administrative jobs. There are so many sites to this regard. I'll put them in the description of this video. You can apply for administrative job online, remote jobs, and once you are picked, you can start doing the job and start making money for yourself. It will give you time freedom, it will give you financial freedom and all manner of freedom you desire. So these are the advantages of these online businesses. It has worked for some people in the past and it's still working till date if you really keep at it. Number four is online courses. If you are good at teaching, you know that you can teach at whatever levels. Doesn't matter your discipline, your interest, your area of interest, but make sure it is your area of interest so that you can put in as much effort as it is needed. You can make courses online, put them online. As many people are viewing your courses, learning one thing or the other, thousands of people worldwide, globally viewing your course, you get to make money from it. The website to check on this is Teachable, www.teachable.com. Udemy is a good site. Coursera is a very good one. And there are so many other websites whereby you can go and promote your online courses. You can sell ebooks. Number four is print on demand. Print on demand. You can do customized products. You can customize some products like t-shirts, mugs, and so many other products like that online. We have Redbubble, we have Teespring, we have Viral Style. These are platforms whereby you can market your customized products and make money for yourself. It's a very profitable venture. People have made money from it in the past and they are still making money. As a reason of introduction, I'm Esther Aledare Olabode. I make videos on how to make money online, how to start from scratch and scale to the top. If this interests you, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop amazing videos like this, you'll be the first to see it out. Go and try it out yourself this year. You will see. Don't give up. Keep pushing. Online businesses is not something that you do today. You start today, tomorrow you are no more there. You have to keep pushing until you get what you want. And trust me, I know you surely get what you want this year if you keep at it and you do not give up. Thank you. See you in my next video.